Hello everyone, welcome back to HOPE Tech Astro channel. The HOPE D60 is our first self-developed fast astronomical telescope. With sharp stars and excellent full-frame performance, it's a reliable partner for outdoor deep sky imaging. To meet higher demands for flatness and flexible framing, we've upgraded the rear structure and introduced this new rotatilter. In this rotatilter, the tilt mechanism is placed in front of the CAA, so rotating for framing will not affect your calibrated tilt. Both M54 and M48 interfaces support direct 2-inch filter installation, no extra adapters needed. The thinner rear design provides more back focus, making it easier to use thick filters or complex imaging trains. 4 corner screws allow fine adjustment between the sensor and the focal plane, providing precise tilt correction for high-resolution cameras. Tilt adjustment with an H to hex key. Turn counterclockwise to move the sensor away from the telescope. Turn clockwise to move it closer. This upgraded rotatilter is provided at a discount to existing HOPE D60 users. To get the discount, please provide your order and payment record to our customer service or authorized dealers. All current HOPE D60 units already feature the new structure, no adjustment required. If you need to replace the rear end structure or restore alignment, follow these steps. Step 1. Tighten the original CAA locking screw and remove the rear assembly. Step 2. Thread the new rotatilter onto the rear and secure it firmly. Step 3. Angle adjustment. If the top locking screw is not aligned with the O mark, record the inner ring position relative to the O mark. Remove the rotatilter and loosen the 6 inner screws. Rotate the inner ring until the marked position is aligned with the top locking screw. Tighten the 6 screws diagonally and reattach the adapter to the telescope. This ensures the CAA locking screw is perfectly aligned with the telescope's O mark.